AI is everywhere right now. But know this, AI will never replace the human connection that makes business video effective. What it can do is make your planning process faster, smoother, and more effective. In this episode of Working with a Videographer, we'll look at how you can use AI tools before and after pressing the record button so you can manage your projects efficiently while keeping the human heart of communication intact. Hi, welcome. If we haven't met yet, I'm Wylie. I work with businesses to create meaningful video productions. Some people have very strong feelings about the use of AI tools. Some of those considerations are legal, some are environmental, and others ethical. I'm a proponent of responsibly using tools that help reduce workloads, systems and tools that can take care of the busy work so that I can focus on the creative and messaging tactics of a production. So let's talk about AI tools and how they can fit into the corporate video production workflow. AI isn't about replacing creativity. It's about streamlining preparation. You can use AI to brainstorm video concepts that align with your business goals, research audience questions, pain points, or trends, and generate rough outlines or story frameworks. That means that by the time you sit down with your videographer, the first draft of your script can be halfway there. So then, when you have these concepts fleshed out and a plan for your video, you can use AI tools to start building your script. You can use it for drafting bullet points or testing different ways to write things to give them clarity. And you can trim long messages into shorter, more digestible versions. But here's the key. AI shouldn't write your final script. Your tone, your culture, your company voice, those come from people. Your videographer can work with you to help refine that script for delivery, pacing, and authenticity. AI-enabled tools can also help you visualize ideas early. You can use tools for sketching concepts and generating quick reference storyboard images. It's a way to give non-visual thinkers a way to see the project. This speeds up alignment, reduces miscommunication, and ensures everyone is on the same page before recording even starts. AI can help again after the camera is put away. AI tools can transcribe the audio to create captions for accessibility. I have that tool built into my video editing software and use it all the time. Transcriptions also might be useful for your legal department if you work in a heavily regulated industry. AI can take those transcriptions and generate language translations for inclusivity, but always have someone proficient in that language check it over. These tools can also create summaries or even select sections that would make good highlight clips when you're repurposing long-form content as reels or other short-form uses. These tools free up time and resources so you and your videographer can focus on using human skills to make your video resonate with viewers. AI can't shake a hand or look into a camera or tell a story with heart, but it can make planning and prep more efficient, giving you more time to focus on the human element that really connects with your audience. So, think about where you could be using AI tools to save time in planning so that you can focus your energy on making human connections. That balance is the sweet spot for business video in the AI era. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comments or get in touch. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again next time.